Okay guys, I'm back with another video. This is the process. I wish I would have started from the beginning on how I did this. But what I did, I took I bored what you call it? I don't know what you call this. With a board. I can't even think of the name of it. And I had to buy them from Amazon. Well, anyway, I took this. It's 16 by 20. And I used two colors. I used, of course, you can see the gold in the middle. I use the red and the burgundy, which is right here. And so the red is up here and the burgundy is down here. So what I'm doing now, I'm just waiting for them to dry. Then I'm going to do another coat of each one again. And this is one that I worked on a couple of days ago. It takes about 2 days because I let it dry and finish. And then of course I did the pink on top, yellow and black mixture at the bottom with the little crystals in the middle and little dabs of burgundy in the middle. So this is one is ready to hang up, but I don't have any more command strips to hang it up. So now I'm about to put some pictures up of where I got started, and then at the end, then I'm gonna do the final result.